Hello everyone, and I'd just like to welcome you to my first YouTube video. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I was just making my own server, and I realized there really are no tutorials out there to help you make a server. And that's what I'm going to be doing here today. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is create some folders. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to name the first one Murder Server. Now it is crucial that it is all one word, and you'll see why later. And now just make another one and name it Steam CMD. Okay, so now that we're done with that, now we actually need to install everything. So we'll just head over to Steam CMD. The links will all be in the description. Find what is relative to you, and since I'm using Windows, I'll click on Windows, download that, then I'll extract the Steam CMD into the Steam CMD folder that we just created. So now that we have it extracted, we're going to want to run Steam CMD. And the first time it runs, it's going to be downloading updates, as you can see here, and it'll be adding files. So once it's done downloading the files, we have to log in. So you type in login anonymous. And now let's head back over to where we made our murder server. So you find your murder server, then now you go back to Steam CMD, you type force _install _directory. So depending on where you saved it, I saved it to my D drive, you would type that. And now you type app _update 4020. This is going to take a little while, so just wait for that, and we'll be back. So now that that's done, we just have to make sure that all the files we downloaded are correct. So we just type app _update 4020 validate. Oops, app _update 4020 validate. And now this is going to take a while, so just come back to this again. Okay, so now that that's done, we can just quit Steam CMD. And next, we're going to need to download gmat extractor. Again, the link is in the description below. So once you do that, just click download, then extract the folder anywhere. So once it's extracted, just head over there and open it up. So once it's open, click on open. And then if you can't find murder here, just go to browse, find where your Steam is saved, then go down to Steam Apps, Common, Garry's Mod again, Add-ons, then just find murder there, click open, and then select it. So once it's here, you extract all this, and so I suggest extracting it to your murder server. So then you click on Garry's Mod, game modes, create a new folder called murder, select the folder and extract it all there. So now let's head over there. Okay, so you go to murder server, Garry's Mod, game modes, murder. Now you'll see all these. You can delete addon.txt. Now go into game modes, murder, copy these, now go back out, into murder, and paste. Now you can delete the game modes folder. Now go into materials, copy these two folders, go out, paste, and delete the materials folder. So now you basically have your server set up. All you need to do now is start the server. So you go back into your server folder, create a new folder, create a new file, called a text document called Start.bat. Make sure it's that extension. So then you click edit, And this is where you're going to be starting your game from. So you just go into the description and copy, there will be this code, copy the code and paste it into this document. So let me just explain this real quick. So the game is Garry's Mod. This is where you can change the startup map. So I have it selected to CS Office. If you want to have more players, you can change it to 18 or higher if your computer can handle it, or your server, or you can change it lower if your computer or server cannot handle it. And the game mode, you could change this to Terror Town or Sandbox or whatever. But right now we want it at Murder. So we'll click File, Save. Now we're actually ready to start our server. So we just click Start. And our server is starting. So we just head over to Garry's Mod. Click Find Multiplayer. An easy way for you to find your game is just go to Local Network, refresh. For now, your server's name is called Garry's Mod, but we can change that after. So you just click Join. And here you are. Here's your server. And since you're the only person on right now, it will not start. So now let me just quickly show you how to change your name. So now you just head back to your Murder server. Go to Garry's Mod, config, server.config, type in host name, type whatever you want your server to be called here, then just hit save. Close this, head back, click start. Now head over to Garry's Mod. Just wait for your server to pop up. There we are. And see, look, the name has changed. So thank you guys for joining me for my first video. If you liked the video, hit a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions. And please subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you around.